Hello everyone, if your YouTube recap is not appearing on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix your YouTube recap not appearing or showing on your phone easily. So first off, you're going to go onto your YouTube application, and then here you're going to click at your profile at the bottom right corner, and then you're going to click at the settings icon at the top right corner. You're going to go onto your data in YouTube here, and then once you're here, you're going to scroll down. You're going to click onto YouTube watch history under YouTube controls, and here you need to make sure that your YouTube history along with the subsettings include the YouTube videos and include your searches are all turned on. So you need to make sure that these three settings are turned on, because if these three settings are not turned on, then you will not get a YouTube recap, as YouTube will not have enough of a history to make one for you. And you also need to make sure that your YouTube account is a personal account and not a brand account, because if it is a brand account, you will not get a YouTube recap as well. So just make sure that your YouTube account is a personal account. And if you meet all of these requirements, then what you're going to do is you're going to go back, you're going to go into your profile here, and you're just going to wait a day or two, and hopefully your YouTube recap will appear. And once it appears, it will be showing here. You'll see your YouTube 2025 recap is here. You're just going to click onto the button, and then it will show you your YouTube recap. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.